Tell me, have you ever wondered if it's actually possible to raise kids without the endless cycle of tantrums? No yelling matches, no bribes at the checkout line, just calm, connection-based parenting, even when big emotions do show up. So in our last episode, we talked about emotional hunger. What's really going on beneath a tantrum and why our children sometimes act out just to feel seen, safe, and connected. But in the next episode, I'm going to take you a level deeper into a story I have never really shared before. It's the story of how I discovered a gentle connection-based approach that meant my own kids grew up without the typical tantrum battles. You see, at first, I thought maybe I just gotten lucky, that my first child was unusually easygoing. But when I was able to use the same approach with my second child and saw the same results, no tantrums, I knew I was into something every parent should know. So in the next episode, I'll share with you the powerful mindset shift that changed everything for us and how you can begin using it right away to bring more calm and confidence into your home. So if you ever felt like you are constantly walking on eggshells, wondering when the next meltdown will hit, you will not want to miss this. Because what I discovered might completely change the way you see your child's big emotions and your own. So join me next time for the full story. And remember, every tantrum is really a call for connection, not a sign that you're doing anything wrong. And you've got this. And I cannot wait to share more with you soon. I'll see you next.